are studying, and what I have given yesterday's homework you must have done or written, and you must have understood also. Now today, come on, we'll continue with our work, children. Now, previously we have learnt about houses in villages, and you know that in past how the houses were, old houses were. They were made up of with mud, mud, straw, wood, and with cow dung and mixed with mud for the plaster and for the floors. And they were having one room only. How they have to spend in that, how they have to live in that house, right? Now we will be going to start another same lesson, but S3 as usual. Houses in cities. Now in houses in cities, now you know cities are crowded, right? But their houses are different. Now some they will live in single house, single story, or 2-story, or 3-story, or 4-story, or 5-story, or multi-story, or flats, or apartments. But they are having rooms, but not so big rooms and not so spacious also as in past old houses, right? Because then it has become nuclear family. They'll stay in a nuclear family, human nuclear family, right? Past, present. Number one, the old houses had a veranda. That is past. Number one, the old house had a veranda and a lawn. Veranda is a big place. They don't, sides are open, okay, but walls are there. Then, and a lawn. Then number two, it is made of bricks, stone chips, and wood. Number three, doors and windows were made up of wood and glass. Present, that is present houses. Houses in cities are multi-story buildings with many flats or apartments in each. They are not as big as the earthly houses, where these are big houses. It is made of cement, steel rods, and doors with glasses. Children, in past, earlier many family members could be together in single-story houses. They used to live in single-story houses. Now present, the cars are kept in a basement or a cellar. You know that. Now instead of ventilators, they have fans and air conditions. That is in flats or apartments. 7 point, people come to cities to look for better job, and so it has become more crowded. Hence, space is not enough and land has become more expensive. Even land also will become expensive in cities. In cities, you will be seeing more multi-story buildings than single or double-story houses in cities today. Children, take out your reader, page number 18. Now please observe these two pictures, a single-story house and a multi-story building. Now I will read I will read and explain. Children, I am reading this paragraph, but you also have to read. I am not studying. You also have to study. Houses in cities then and now. Until some years ago, houses in big cities had a single or a double story. They had many rooms for large families. They've got many rooms to live together. These houses also had open verandas. Now here courtyards means an open area within the house and surrounded by rooms or walls. They are known as courtyards. Verandas, a small window pass. You will see that window ventilations and lawns. Sometimes they had a garbage. They had to keep the car. Garage had a garage to keep the car. These houses were usually built of cement, bricks and wood. The ceilings were high and the houses had many windows and ventilators for air to pass through. The kitchens were usually large, and those who did not have a gas stove cooked in mud stove, that is chullas, by burning firewood or coal. Hence, the walls would be black with soot. Nowadays, most houses in cities are multi-story buildings with many flats or apartments in each. Hence, many families can live together in the same building. The flats are not as big as the earlier houses. They are fit for smaller families. The kitchens are smaller and there are no ventilators. Though they are built of cement and bricks, they need strong steel rods to support the tall building. These buildings usually have a common path for children. The cars are often parked in the basement. People come to cities looking for better jobs, making the cities more crowded than before. There are less open spaces and land has become more costly. Hence, there are more multi-story buildings than single or double-story houses in cities today. What type of houses do you see the most where you live? So what you'll see, most of the houses you'll see big many story building or multi-story buildings also you will be seeing. Children, take out your workbook. Now I think so S2, that is on 5th 8 2020 you must have done your homework, that is page number 15. Now turn your page. S3, houses in cities. Now see this picture. Look at the picture and answer the question. How is this house similar to city house of the past? Past he is asking. So here slowly I will explain you. It is a single story house. Has a lawn. A separate place for the car. And open space like city houses of the past. Right? Second question. Write at least two differences between this house and multi-story building. Now your multi-story building, the house in the picture. This you have to compare with this house. First point, it has many floors. many families can live together in multi-story building. Second point, it has a basement for the cars. Now second column, the houses in the picture, this one. First point, the house in this picture has one floor for one family, one floor for one family. Second point, it has open space you can see, and separate garage for a car. Oh, what is one thing you would not like to change in this house and why? No. Third question, what is one thing you would not like to change in this house and why? Actually, this is your own answer. You have to write by yourself. Okay? Now, you have to see this picture, this house picture, and then you have to compare and what you don't like, don't want to change from this, which thing you don't want to change. That is your own answer. You can write your own. You can take the help of your reader also, right? Now this is page number 16, workbook page number 16. S3, do your homework in S3, houses in cities, page number 16. Don't forget.